America!
Oh, come on.
You don't win this, you gotta
Come on, Frenchie. I know you're from Marinette.
This is to get on the bus.
Back up, Frenchie.
You got home field advantage.
Sally, if you lose, you're staying.
That's fine. Come on. Hold on. Yeah, I got
Get the attention, get the attention. All right, you're going to the line, you're going to the line, all right, guys?
Go, Sally.
On three. 1, 2, 3.
Go, Sally.
Come on, Sally! Come on,
Go watch smallpox.
Hey, best 2 or 3.